Hello, students. It's Mrs. Mayer. Sorry, Miss Little and I remembered that we did not go over a problem with a stem plot. So what you have to do is be able to read the stem plots and type those into your calculator. So this stem plot would not get full points on a quiz from us because there is no key. But for the purpose of this problem, we're going to assume that this is 10, this is 12, 23, 24, etc. So now you're going to get out your calculator and start typing in values. So now I've gotten out my calculator. Yours should look similar. Sorry, I'm trying to clear this data. There we go. So remember the steps from today. You need to go to Stat, and it goes to Edit, Enter, and these are your lists. Make sure it says L1, and now you're going to start typing your numbers. So 10, Enter. So if you want to delete something in your list, you have to arrow up and click the delete button. Never hit delete on the top. So 10, 12, 23, etc. You're going to keep typing. Once you have all your numbers typed in, you want to double check that you had the right amount of numbers. So if you want to count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So make sure you have 18 numbers in your data set. 1. And I have 18 numbers. So now I have my data set in. I'm going to go to Stat again. Arrow over to Calc, and this says 1 var stats. That's what I want. So I'm going to hit Enter and go down to Calculate. Make sure that list says L1. That's where we typed everything. And now I have the information that I need. Remember that X bar is the mean. We'll be learning about standard deviation soon. That's what this is. And you can scroll down to your 5-number summary. So now I have my minimum is 10. Lost my calculator. Q1 is 24. Median is 48. Q3 is 58 and max is 68. And I'm going to submit my question. And we were correct.